In no particular order, these are my 10 Ghanaian YouTube cooking channels I will highly recommend. Let's start with Indudu by Fafa. I have nicknamed her the Fashionista Cook. If you want a cook with a personality of class, impeccable command over the English language, and who makes traditional Ghanaian dishes look like a 5-star restaurant cuisine, then this channel is for you. There is no dull moment with Lady Fafa. She entertains, educates, and has got great taste, hence she's not afraid to experiment. And she's also got her own spice blend, which you can purchase if you live in the UK. If you love spices that have authenticity, then this is for you. We move on then to Sweet Jelly, whose channel will make you feel like you are part of her family. This channel is packed with amazing recipes. She teaches easy to understand steps and you'll never go wrong with her instructions. She also has her own range of spice blend and currently only delivers within the States. Are you married or thinking of getting cooked and you want to cook meals that will impress your husband and in-laws? Original Mommy Betty's channel should be on your list. Watching her channel, you feel encouraged and supported, especially if you are a good cook and making an effort to learn. Her tone of voice and detailed explanations makes even the most complicated dishes look simple. She's also got her own spice blend, which I'll urge you all to buy. The next person is Nanaba. She is amazing, and her cooking skills and warm voice will make your day. She adds few original methods to her cooking, which yields amazing results. The final outcome and her recipes will leave your tummy rumbling, and she's also got her own shito she sells as well. Then we move on to Mrs. Jury. Mrs. Jury also has simple meals that she cooks on her channel. You will not be disappointed with her recipes. They are straightforward with no difficulty in any way. Subscribe to her channel and watch her create flavorsome dishes. If you want anything quick, then she's the best channel that you need to subscribe to. Never regret it. Lami Cooks. Lami Cooks amazing dishes that you will feel like you are back home in Ghana. Her food, especially if you are one who likes traditional wache and shito, just like you will love it to taste if you are back in Ghana, then this channel is for you. She makes everything so easy. She gives detailed explanations to everything she does. And if you should join, you never regret. She's also got her shito she sells as well. And then we will go to Stella Zone. Stella Zone is a channel packed with delicious recipes. Though based in the US, she makes you feel you are right back in Ghana and cooking with your best friend. She gives detailed explanation to the meals she cooks, and her friendly personality makes you feel right at home. She also sells homemade shito, and looking at the meals she cooks, I'm sure the shito will taste flavorsome. Then we move on to Our Lady Obapa's Kitchen. Her channel is also filled with the yummy recipes. She knows how to alter, modify ingredients to satisfy one's taste buds. Obapa turns basic ingredients into soothing meals that makes all your workday stress melt away. This is a channel if you want flavorsome packed dishes you need to subscribe to. She makes difficult dishes look so easy. And finally, I will highly recommend Matt Brown's Kitchen. This show is full of celebrities cooking amazing recipes and filling one's ear with interesting information about their lives and what they have been up to. The hostess has a good sense of humor and will keep you grinning from ear to ear. There are no dull moments on this channel. You will never be disappointed if you watch Matt Brown's Kitchen. If you want celebrities who can really cook, and have different way of cooking dishes, then this is the channel for you. These are my list of Ghanaian YouTube cooking channels I will highly recommend. If you have some personal favorite, kindly drop it in the comment box.